Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, good day to you. Oh, yeah. You got your eyes open. Oh, yeah. Big smile.
Sweetheart.
Oh, is that bright light on you? Huh? Oh, oh,
No. Hi.
that's Grandma.
Hi, sweetheart.
Yeah, that's Grandma. Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Oh,
Hi. Hi, sweetheart.
oh,
Such a big girl.
oh, yeah.
Are you such a big girl? Yes, you are.
Oh, are you got your eyes open? And you got blue eyes. Huh? You wonder what she sees.
Just cloudy. She uses figures. Just not clear yet, but it'll take a couple weeks yet. Hey. No.
And he volunteers to go with me to find her. I volunteer 2 men, my lord.
Papa, shut up. Better sleep.
Oh, I'm going to talk to my sister.
That's your plan? My ice business is riding on you talking to your sister?
Yep.
So you're not at all afraid of her?
Why would I be?
Where's your little feet?
I bet she's the nicest, gentlest, warmest person ever.
Oh,
I've been in
say,
hell.
Grandma, what you doing? Oh,
What now?
oh, 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 yeah.
Hey, Steve, I've only got one rope and you don't know how to climb mountains.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I'm going to see my
oh,
sister.
You're gonna kill yourself. I'm
oh,
gonna put my foot down.
You're distracting me.
Over there.
oh.
She has Layla's nice hair. Remember Layla had this nice hair too.
You know, most people who disappear into the mountains want to be alone.
Nobody wants to be alone.
Hi. Are you smiling?
I'm not alone.
Are you smiling?
Friends.